So this is the solid granny square completed. It's around 30 rows done total with 4 different colors. All the details of the number of rows, the yarn used, the crochet hook, all are in the written pattern, which will be linked in the description box. So you can make it big or smaller depending on you and how you want it, and you choose whichever color you like. This was my choice of color for this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.